guys, happy fall y'all. In today's video we are doing Dollar Tree DIYs. These can all be done in about 5 minutes and they are so easy. I hope you guys enjoy. Is it too early for fall? Probably, but I've transitioned into like a sweater short sleeve shirt, so we're gonna make this work. Look how cute these are. Oh, I love them. First, I want to show you guys how to make a DIY plaid tray. These are so easy to do using the mini Dollar Tree signs.
May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough.
If you want to, you can even add some Sharpie on the inside to make it look black and adhere together with hot glue. Then use the remaining pieces to stick onto the bottom of the tray to make it look fully plaid. They also have lots of vase filler for just $1. My personal favorite are the acorns, and they have beautiful green hydrangeas this year and neutral DIY on any tablescape for just a few dollars.
Order in a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong.
I highly recommend these Jenga blocks. I've got some DIYs coming up with these. Next, we're making an elegant picture frame using Dollar Tree Jenga blocks. Your first step is to stain them, and this is really easy, and a teeny tiny bit of stain goes a really long way.
So we're going to be able to do all of these with just one teeny tiny little bit.
I think it looks best to stain them in a couple of different colors. It adds a lot of texture to this look. You can go from browns to grays to whites. Adhere this to an old frame you have. It's best to pick one up from the thrift store using hot glue. This is such an elegant way to display all of your favorite fall photos. Every year we always take our kids to the sunflower fields. They make such beautiful pictures. You guys have to let me know in the comments below if you have any fun traditions or pictures you always do with your kids. Next are easy coasters or candle holders that are a better than Dollar Tree product. Oh man, the DIY options are endless. Amazon carries a small pack for less than $1 each wood rounds. These are actual wood. They even have the bark on the side. Staining them is optional, and this is perfect for coasters or any Dollar Tree candle display. The signage this year is also really beautiful on its own. This friend sign is one of my favorites. And then wood pumpkins, we just stained this one. You can create beautiful neutral displays for just a couple of bucks. Thank you, girls. Next, creating a wreath. Of course, you know I love the $1 wreath forms, and a way to make your wreath look really high-end is to take all of the leaves off and glue those on first as your base. One of my favorite flowers this year are the picks. They have beautiful peonies, and these look very high-end. Glue them around in several spots on your wreath. Glue hair.
Glue hair, don't care. Oh my goodness. Have you seen that though? It's like pool hair, don't care. Mermaid hair, don't care.
Yeah, glue hair, don't care. And I also love the signs that they have. You can break these apart. Whoop. Yep, that's how that goes. And I just glued the pumpkin patch part of the sign right onto the wreath, and I think it looks so cute. And what's more, can be done really quickly.
Knowing soon we'll be back home.
If you enjoyed, leave it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Join the Dime Tribe so I can catch you guys in the next one. I'm grateful for this community, and if no one has told you today, you rock, you are enough, and I am grateful for you. I will see you guys soon. Bye. Owen! Mommy's finishing up her filming. Oh, I'm filming for YouTube.
What did you?
Can you say